If you could take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer.
I love you, Hannah, and
If you could feel my heartbeat now,
not gonna just
it
walk
would
away.
hit you like a
I'm not gonna
sledgehammer.
leave you. This was never gonna happen.
I don't admit it, I play it cool, but every minute that I'm with you, I feel the fever and I won't lie, I break a sweat. My body's telling all the secrets I ain't told you yet. Struggle to contain love that's in my veins, how it circulates. If you could take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you could feel my heartbeat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer. If you take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer.